Hey there, Katrina here, founder of Living from Center, and I'm here again today with your body tune-up tip of the week. We have been talking about loosening up and tuning up your lower back. We did some leg swings on a previous tip that kind of just got your waist loosened up. But today we're talking again about your lower back, and the thing to key in on here that is a really powerful tune-up tip is to think about your glutes. Your glutes are that area that we've all got, our bum, but not just back here. There's also sort of the sides of your glutes. Your glutes have different combinations of muscles, and it's actually the ones here on the sides that can get really locked up and tight that make a real difference in how you're experiencing some tension and pain. So we're going to do a little self-massage rolling out of your glutes that will really make a difference for alleviating and helping your tension to just not be as chronic and as problematic. What I'm going to use today to show you this is this tune-up therapy ball. It's the Alpha Ball from Tune Up Fitness. I will put a link to this in the notes so that you can get your hands on these. You can see this is a pretty hefty, big size ball, and the key about this, and the reason I love this company for their massage rolling tools, I know there's a lot out there, I particularly really love this one and recommend this company, is because they've really made these balls to be exactly for these reasons. They have some give to them. They're not solid hard, which is, you don't want something solid and hard and really too tough on your muscles. You want your muscles to be able to lean in and give. These are also grippy, which is excellent for opening up the fascia and the connective tissue. This one happens to be the Alpha Ball, which is a big size. If you don't have this, you use whatever you've got at home. You can use a tennis ball. Actually, what can be helpful to do is to put 2 tennis balls in a sock, and then you can do this same technique that we're going to do with 2, and it has a kind of a little bit of a different effect, but get your hands on a big one like this, the Alpha Ball, and you'll love it, trust me. So here's the tip. This is what to do. Just go ahead and put the ball or the pair of balls that you're using there in your glutes, and you can see that I'm sort of propping myself up with my hands and with my feet, and I'll let one of my legs kind of come down. And you're thinking about how you've got this triangular sacrum here. This is where the ball's going, right along the edge of that bone and right in the glute area. This is the first position to put it, and just go ahead and lean in. You can roll. If you've got the pair of balls, you can kind of roll back and forth this way. That's one spot, but then here's the key. Flip it out a little toward the side and get to that side spot. Now, not right on your hip bone, that would hurt, but just above it, sort of right where you might, like here's, you're gonna put your hands on your hips, it's right underneath there. You'll know when you put it there because it's this tiny little muscle here. There's a muscle at the top that attaches with its connective tissue down your IT band, and there's also the glute minimus in there. When you get in here, see how I'm propped up? Do a little butterfly with your leg and breathe. With any rolling that you do, any self-massage, the key always is to make sure that you can easily breathe through it, because that helps your muscles, your connective tissue, everything to just release. Do a little rolling, not for too long. You don't want to overstimulate that. Do a little on each side, and you will start to notice that your back chronic pain and tension might start to alleviate and lift, because when you loosen up your glutes in here, it changes the way that your sacrum is, and it's not so crunched, and then that will make a difference for everything else all around your back. Stay tuned. We'll do another tip for other parts of your hips that can continue to help with this. But this was your tip for today. And a reminder, come to one of our body tune-up classes. This is the kind of thing that we do in our body tune-up classes, along with some stretching and breathing and gentle movement, and I'd love to have you there. So I'll leave a link, and you can see when our next classes are coming up, and I'll also leave a link where you can get your hands on one of these great massage tools, because tuning in and tuning up your body regularly is the thing you need to be doing for yourself. We all do, and it's so helpful. See you in the next tip.